This is the installation of our American Standard Reliant 3 faucet. It's a center set 3-hole faucet 4 inches apart on your countertop. All of our center set faucets have the same setup. First step is to just simply put the drain cable through the center hole, as well as the hot and cold supply hoses, and then your support shanks will go in the 2 holes on the left and the right. You can secure them with 2 mounting nuts. They simply spin onto these shanks, and you can simply hand tighten those. Spin right up there nice and secure. Okay, the next step is to install our Speed Connect drain. It's all contained in one piece as compared to competitive drains that have as much as 14 moving parts and pop-up rods and various things to assemble. So what I just removed is it's a cap for shipping and a spacer. You can discard those. And the next step you want to do is just take your drain and install it from the bottom. Each drain comes with this foam seal, which can be used in the place of plumber's putty. Thread your flange back on, that's simply, and then take your drain cable and assemble that onto the drain. Again, simple hand tighten. And your faucet is now installed. From here you need to hook up your hot and cold supplies and your P-trap to the drain, and you're good to go.